Hey, what's up, guys? So, I my throat is quite sore. Oh, and I got the hiccups. So basically, my throat is sore, and my brother, I thought was being nice, offered to get me a nice soda, nice soft drink from 7-Eleven. So he gives it to me, and I drink it, and it's quite soothing, right? It makes my throat not as sore. But I have the hiccups, and every time I hiccup, it hurts. It's like a knife going through my throat. Ah! Maybe since no one can scare me, maybe if I just stare into the camera and just talk by maybe focusing on that and not my throat. Maybe I will lose the hiccups because it has to do with like breathing and nozzle and whatnot. So I'm gonna focus. I'm going to focus. Yes, yes. So hey, I think it's working. Ah, so close. Oh my God, my throat. Ah. Hey, I think I think we're good. I think we're good.